To add a Samsung account to your Galaxy A35 5G, simply go to Settings, and then at the top of the settings page, you should see Samsung account. Tap on that, and then that's going to open the Samsung account sign-in page. So if you already have an account, then you can just tap on email or phone number, enter your username, which is normally your email address, and then tap on next, enter your password, and then tap on sign in. You might have to agree to the terms and conditions, maybe even special terms, or you can just tap on I have read and agreed to all the above, and then tap on agree. If you have two-step verification enabled, then just go ahead and choose your method. And now you are signed in to your Samsung account. It's really that simple. Thanks for watching. Comments and questions down below, and good luck.